Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're upgrading an app from basic metrics to full distributed tracing.
So your metrics are yelling that something's slow, but where and why? Tracing tells that story.
We're leveling up from just knowing what is slow to seeing exactly why it's slow.
And here's our game plan. OpenTelemetry, Tempo, and Grafana to see everything in one place.
Here's the crew. Each tool has a very specific job in getting us those beautiful traces.
First up, the Docker Compose YAML file. This is what tells all our services how to work together. Check this out. This one environment variable is the key. It points our app right at the collector. And this part, it's just telling the collector which rulebook, which configuration file to use.
Speaking of that config file, let's pop it open and see how the data actually flows. Think of receivers as the collector's front door. It's just sitting there, waiting for data to arrive. And the pipeline section? It's simple. It just funnels those traces from the front door straight into Tempo.
Okay, now for the really cool part, getting our Node.js app to create traces automatically. We just need to pull in a few OpenTelemetry packages. They're going to do all the heavy lifting for us. Next, we set up an exporter. This tells our code exactly where that collector's front door is. And then, boom! One command, sdk.start, and it's watching Express, our database, you name it.
Now, this is super important. This require has to be the very first thing that runs. No exceptions.
All right, everything's configured. Time to fire it all up and see this thing actually work.
It's just 3 quick commands. Start the services, send a test request, and then jump into Grafana.
And here we go. Inside Grafana, we can literally watch that request travel through our system. This is why we did it. You can see the request's full path and pinpoint exactly what's slow.
But just seeing the problem is only half the battle. Now you can actually act on it.
You could set up alerts, get Slack pings, or build dashboards that find slow traces for you.
So now you can see the whole story behind every single request. The only question is, what will you fix first?